These days, the word blueberry on a food label seems almost magical, at least when it comes to marketing. There's blueberry yogurt, blueberry muffin mix, blueberry Eggos, blueberry drinks. There's even blueberry pill. What's going on here? Well, the first thing I can tell you, and this may surprise you, there's not a single study that shows that eating blueberries is of any health benefit to people. Shocking, right? Given the fact that hype is all over the place. Oh, we have studies galore about how blueberries can increase the antioxidant potential of the blood. There are studies in test tubes and cell cultures about the benefits of neutralizing free radicals. But that's a long way from showing that eating blueberries has any effect on the health of humans. However, marketing, of course, runs galore. Blueberry yogurt, for example. Well, we've often said that the dose makes the poison. Well, the dose also makes any health benefits, if there are any. So anyone who looks at blueberry on a label, first question that should spring to mind, how much? Well, look at this blueberry yogurt. How many blueberries? How do we know? The only thing it says on there is that there are blueberries on the bottom. How many? Not too many. But what we know for sure is that there's about 21 grams of sugar in this little cup. That's half the daily intake of sugar. All right, what about this muffin mix here? Well, as you can see, that features blueberry on the label too, with a little bit of an asterisk. You look to see what the asterisk means. It says artificial flavor. There are no blueberries in there. There are some compounds that have a blueberry flavor. These were concocted by flavor chemists and things like linalool or cis-3-hexanal. Nothing wrong with these. They may even be present in natural blueberry flavor, but there are no blueberries in there. Neither are there any anthocyanins. These are the compounds that are thought to be of benefit in blueberries. Now, how about Eggos? Well, you plunk them in a toaster and eat them for breakfast. A lot of people like them. Do they like them because of the health benefits of the blueberries? Well, if that's why they're eating them, they better look to something else. No, you won't find any plump blueberries like you see on the label inside. What you have are blueberry nuggets, tiny pieces. They're not blueberries. They're mixtures of sugar and fat and tiny little dried bits of blueberry that are mixed in there. It does taste something like a blueberry, but for its, reputation, I'll tell you that the sugar content is actually quite low. Mercifully, only about 3 grams, which is not very much. Then, of course, there are drinks, like this blueberry beverage. What does it mean? How do we know how much blueberry stuff there is in here? What it says on the label is blueberry juice, and organic maple water. Well, how much of this is water and how much is juice? We don't know. What we know is that one serving of this 1 cup, 17 grams of sugar. That's a lot. So what do we make of all of this blueberry stuff? If you're going to eat blueberries, question is, how much? I think we'd all agree, 1 blueberry isn't going to do you any good. How many do we have to eat in order to have any benefit? The truth is, nobody knows, because there is no study that shows that eating X amount of blueberries is any kind of health benefit. However, I can tell you one thing, they taste very good, and that in itself is a benefit.